How to add debit card in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to add debit card into your account, you need to go to your profile settings. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the accounts icon, tap on it. In this account space, you can see this payment option, tap on it. Now we need to select this plus icon at the top right corner. From here, you can add a new payment method. You can add a debit card into your account. You can see this select method of payment option, tap on this. You can see different options of credit card, PayPal, and Amazon Pay. You can select the credit card option. Even if you want to add a debit card, you can select this credit card option. And right below that, you can enter the card number. Provide your debit card number over here. And right below that, provide the expiration date of the card. Provide your security code and your postal code. Once you are done and enter all the data precisely, you can tap on the save and proceed option. And that's it. That's how you can easily add your debit card into your account in Grubhub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.